Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Jamela. It's been a long time since I've done a song. I've done a song back in, I don't know, been about almost 10 years. But I was young and I was just playing around on YouTube. So this is like one of the first songs I've done in a long time. So y'all bear with me, please. Even though your wings blow, I want you to know you cover me, no, 'cause I'm safe in His arms. Even though your rain falls, I can still make this call. Let every place now I can say, go away. I command you to move today because of there I have a brand new day. The sun will shine and I'll be okay. That's what I told the storm. Oh, fill my cup, Lord. I lift you up, Lord. Come and quench this thirsty